If I go and I show you this on this song, what it would be basically would be after the second verse, this is chorus, which actually starts right here and ends pretty soon. You have these bars empty of music. These would be the bridge right here, where I'm just playing a chord progression and then ending it with "and I love you" in the final chorus, repeating again and again, okay? And I actually go through and repeat the chorus one more time at the end to serve as the outro. So the bridge would be this blank spot where I have no notes on yet, because I'd just be playing, you know, let's say C, I'd be playing G here, and then E minor here, and then I'd be playing A minor here, and then G. So I would be setting up instrumentally in the instrumental bridge, the melodic bridge, I'd be setting up for the final chorus. So it can have either lyric and melodic changes or just a melodic instrumental in it. So that is what the bridge is. It is a transition, or it is a contrasting section to the repeating verse, chorus format. If you have any questions, please feel free to consult the Q&A. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next session.